Happy Mother's Day to all of you mothers out there. And this is for me, from my daughters. Thank you, my kids. I love you. I love you guys. Happy Mother's Day to all mothers. Happy Mother's Day to my late mom, Nanay LB, and Barb. Happy Mother's Day. I miss you both. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for everything. And happy Mother's Day to all of you mother out there. God bless us. Happy Mother's Day to all mothers. Mothers like fathers. To all of us. Happy Mother's Day. I love you all. Hi guys, today I'm gonna do a $40 session. I have ticket of California State Riches and 100X. So I got the black box and book number 2. And this one, ticket number 10 and book number 5. Okay, let's try this. Wish me luck. And here we're gonna find the bonus here. Yeah. And then we need to find 10x, 20x, and the palm tree win all 30 prizes. Okay, let's try this. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. With that amount, is this the win? Golden State bonus, so it's a win. Is it a win? I think so, right? It says Golden State bonus, reveal a cash prize amount, win that amount. So I got the Golden State bonus. OMG. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. Winning numbers 27, 24, M2M's number, best M2M 4, 22, 21, 19, 9, Fancy Nancy, and 14. Okay, let's find a match. Tuk tuk. Oh yes. What a good ticket. This is black box. You get hold on. I'm gonna get my marker. Excuse me. So tuk tuk. Okay. 46. We don't have 40s. 23. No. 13. 38. 32. My 8 and LVUSO. 28. You get 27 there. 42. No 40s. 2. 26, we got 27, 1 off, 7, 45, 44, J Sarge, 3, 15, we got 14, 36, 43, no, 33, CC Julia, 34, 35, 37, 25, SoCal, the 24, 16, Mary, Rise and Scratch, 31, 6, 40, 11, the Gambler, and 1. So, we got only the 22 and this one. Am I right? Yeah. 22. Hey, what's this? Oh. Okay. So ticket. Okay. Because I haven't played this. That's so funny. Okay, it's ticket. We got money. Ticket. $20. Alright. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. So here, win up to $5 million. We need to find the 10x, 20x, 50x, or 100x, and the stack of cash symbol. Win 250 instantly. Nice. Let's try. Okay. Winning numbers 39, 19, 9, 1, 4, 37, 5, and 35. Nice numbers. Okay, let's find the match. Let's scratch the multiplier first. Whoa, okay. 100x. Wow. Okay. Okay. 44 and 36. 44, 27, 16. 28, nope. 11, nope. 5 and 7. Oh, 5! Alright. Got a 5. Back-to-back win. Right? 29. Brother Willie scratch to win. 23. CC Norcal. 21. 3. Do I have 3? No. 24. Bestie M2M. Tuk Tuk. 45. No. 41. No. 40 is my 8 and LVU. So we got 9. 13. Nope. 42. Nope. 37. No. Oh, yes! Here. 37. 37. Yes! Nice. 43. No, 43. 34. We got 35. 1 off. 12. Nope. And 46. Alright. So, where's that? 5 and 37. 5. Oops, sorry. 5. I'm gonna zoom out. Hold on. There you go. 5. 5. 37, 37. Same 1x. Okay. Okay. Okay, money back. Wow. Yahoo! Money back. It's a pre-play. We got for ticket here, it's 20. And we got 20 here. 15 and 5. It's 20. Nice session. Awesome, awesome. We didn't lose. Yeah. Nice session. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. And good luck also to your ticket. Love you all. Bye.